When disaster strikes, will you be ready? From sudden blackouts to getting lost deep in the wilderness, your life could depend on the gear you carry. These aren't just tools, they're your lifeline. Today, we're revealing the 12 ultimate survival gadgets of 2025 that could save your life when everything else fails. Lightweight, powerful, and built for anything Mother Nature throws your way. Are you prepared? Let's find out. Stay tuned because number 12 might surprise you. Number 1. Karabiner Multi-Tool 8-in-1 EDC Karabiner's Pocket Knife. A simple carabiner may seem like a humble piece of gear, but the Karabiner Multi-Tool 8-in-1 transforms this everyday item into an indispensable survival tool. Crafted with precision and made from robust stainless steel, this multi-tool fuses 8 critical functions into one lightweight, easy-to-carry device. Beyond its core function as a sturdy carabiner to clip onto backpacks or belts, it includes a pocket knife, bottle opener, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, wrench, and file, among other tools. Whether you're scaling a mountain, setting up a camp, or simply tightening a loose bolt on your gear, this compact gadget ensures you have exactly what you need within arm's reach. Its portability and multifunctionality make it a must-have for ADC everyday carry enthusiasts and survivalists alike. Number 2. Ankara Cobb Flashlight. Lighting is essential in any survival situation, and the Ankara Cobb flashlight brings modern lighting power in a compact package. Cobbia chip-on-board technology produces an ultra-bright, broad-spectrum light that vastly outshines traditional LED flashlights. The Ankara Cobb flashlight is pocket-sized but powerful enough to illuminate wide areas, perfect for nighttime navigation, emergency signaling, or lighting up a campsite. One of its standout features is its magnetic base and clip, which allows for hands-free operation when affixed to metal surfaces or clothing. Additionally, its durable, water-resistant build ensures functionality in rain or harsh weather. Coupled with a rechargeable battery and multiple lighting modes, including strobe and SOS, this flashlight is a critical addition to any bug-out bag, car emergency kit, or hiking backpack in 2025. Number 3. Canway Portable Camping Stove Mini. When you're miles away from civilization, the ability to cook food or boil water can be life-saving. The Canway Portable Camping Stove Mini delivers reliable cooking power in an ultra-portable format. Made from high-grade stainless steel, this mini stove is corrosion-resistant and built to endure extreme outdoor conditions. It operates on natural fuel sources such as twigs, leaves, and small branches, eliminating the need to carry heavy gas canisters. The 3-arm pot support ensures stable cooking even on uneven terrain. Best of all, its collapsible design makes it easy to pack away in a small bag. Whether you're brewing coffee on a mountain trail or purifying water for safe drinking, the Canway stove is indispensable for wilderness survival and camping trips. Number 4. Lagom Folding Saw for Camping. Cutting through thick branches, firewood, or clearing brush becomes effortless with the Lagom Folding Saw. Engineered with a razor-sharp, triple-cut blade, this saw offers smooth, fast cuts with minimal effort. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip even when your hands are wet or gloved. The folding design locks the blade securely in place, both open and closed, making it safe to transport. Whether you're building a shelter, processing wood for a campfire, or clearing trails, the Lagom Folding Saw stands out as an essential cutting tool. Durable, efficient, and easy to carry, it offers the reliability that every outdoor adventurer or survivalist demands. Number 5. Sharpel 200N Transfort 11-in-1 Angle Knife Sharpener. A dull blade can turn a survival situation from manageable to dangerous. The Sharpel 2210N Transfort 1-in-1 Knife Sharpener ensures your knives and tools remain razor sharp at all times. This multi-angle sharpener features tungsten carbide blades, ceramic blades, a fire starter, a whistle, and an integrated diamond rod, all in a lightweight, portable package. Its versatility means you can sharpen almost any blade: straight-edge knives, serrated knives, fishing hooks, and even gut hooks. The preset sharpening angles make the task quick and precise, and the fire starter rod doubles as a ferrocerium rod, allowing you to ignite tinder in emergencies. Compact, rugged, and highly functional, this tool is a perfect companion for anyone relying on knives in the outdoors. Number 6. Keychain Knife Multi-Tool. Portability meets functionality in the Keychain Knife Multi-Tool. Despite its tiny size, this multi-tool packs a punch with multiple integrated tools, such as a sharp blade, screwdriver, bottle opener, mini wrench, and more, all attached to a convenient keychain loop. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it resists wear and corrosion even after repeated exposure to the elements. Its discreet size means it can hang unnoticed on your keys or belt loop, yet when the situation demands, it transforms into a versatile problem solver. Ideal for small everyday fixes, opening packages, cutting rope, or performing minor repairs on the go. The Keychain Multi-Tool is the epitome of preparedness in your pocket. Number 7. Gerber Suspension NXT. The Gerber Suspension NXT is the modern evolution of the classic multi-tool, designed with survivalists and everyday adventurers in mind. Featuring 15 essential tools, including pliers, wire cutters, scissors, screwdrivers, can opener, and more. This multi-tool is housed in a lightweight stainless steel frame with an open frame design for reduced weight and increased accessibility. The pocket clip makes it easy to carry without the need for a sheath. Known for Gerber's trademark durability and precision, the Suspension NXT is engineered to perform under pressure, whether you're repairing gear, handling emergency situations, or handling everyday tasks. It strikes a perfect balance between size, functionality, and portability, making it an all-around tool for any survival kit in 2025. Number 8. GenX Multifunctional Camp Wireless Camping Air Pump. Inflating air mattresses, deflating gear quickly, and even lighting up your campsite, the GenX Multifunctional Camp Wireless Air Pump handles it all. This modern marvel combines an air pump, vacuum pump, and LED lantern into a compact wireless device. Its rechargeable battery means you won't be fumbling for batteries in the wilderness, and its robust airflow can quickly inflate sleeping pads, pillows, and flotation devices. Equally useful for deflating equipment to save pack space, it adds versatility to your camping setup. The integrated lantern function ensures you're not left in the dark, with adjustable brightness settings that cater to various nighttime scenarios. Lightweight, multifunctional, and easy to recharge via USB, this is the kind of gear that reduces bulk without sacrificing performance. Number 9. Astro AI Ice Scraper with Snow Brush. Winter survival comes with its own unique challenges, and the Astro AI Ice Scraper with Snow Brush is essential for those living in or traveling through snowy, icy regions. This heavy-duty tool features a durable brush for sweeping snow and a tough ice scraper for chipping away frost and ice buildup on vehicles or surfaces. Its ergonomic anti-slip handle offers comfort during prolonged use in freezing temperatures. Beyond vehicle use, it proves handy in clearing snow from tents, shelters, or gear, ensuring you can operate efficiently even in winter wilderness settings. Built to withstand sub-zero temperatures without cracking, the Astro AI tool is a winter essential that every survivalist or adventurer should keep in their vehicle or pack. Number 10. XPA Men's Military and Tactical Boots. Footwear can make or break an adventure. The XPA Men's Military and Tactical Boots offer unparalleled durability, support, and comfort, making them ideal for hiking, tactical missions, and survival scenarios. With an 8-inch ankle height, they provide excellent ankle support to prevent sprains or injuries on rugged terrain. Made with waterproof mesh lining and a durable rubber outsole with aggressive treads, these boots ensure traction in wet, muddy, or rocky conditions. The reinforced toe cap and heel guard enhance protection against harsh environments, while the cushioned insole provides all-day comfort whether trekking through dense forests, crossing streams, or navigating debris-filled landscapes. These boots are built to endure it all, an absolute must for serious survivalists. Number 11. Bizina Sleeping Bag with Pillow. Rest and warmth are crucial for survival, and the Bizina sleeping bag with pillow delivers both in spades. Designed for 3-season versatility, this sleeping bag offers comfort in temperatures ranging from cool spring nights to chilly autumn evenings. It's made with durable, water-resistant polyester on the outside and soft, breathable lining on the inside. The included pillow adds comfort often missing from minimalist setups, while the adjustable hood helps trap warmth around your head. Its lightweight and compressible design makes it easy to pack, and the dual zippers allow for ventilation on warmer nights. Whether you're camping, backpacking, or preparing for emergency shelter-in-place situations, the Bizina sleeping bag guarantees restful sleep and critical body warmth. Number 12. The Beltkin Titanium Camping Lunch Bento Box. Eating well in survival situations can boost morale and energy, and the Valtken Titanium Camping Lunch Bento Box ensures your meals are stored safely and cooked efficiently. Crafted from ultralight titanium, this bento box is corrosion-resistant, non-toxic, and strong enough to last for years of outdoor adventures. Titanium conducts heat efficiently, meaning you can cook meals directly over a campfire or portable stove, eliminating the need for extra cookware. The locking lid and folding handles add to its portability and usability. Ideal for solo campers or minimalist hikers, the Valtken Bento Box simplifies meal prep, cooking, and storage while keeping your pack weight minimal. It's the ultimate mess kit upgrade for 2025 survivalists. As 2025 ushers in new challenges and outdoor enthusiasts push their boundaries further than ever before, being prepared is no longer optional, it's essential. The 12 ultimate survival gear items listed here combine innovative design, rugged durability, and maximum versatility to ensure you're equipped for anything, anywhere. From reliable lighting and cutting tools to cooking equipment and sturdy boots, each piece adds a layer of confidence and security to your adventure or emergency kit. Investing in these survival essentials doesn't just prepare you for the worst. It empowers you to explore the best of nature, knowing you're ready for whatever comes your way. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.